Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liza here from Pondering Creations Farm. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I have a video from when we went into New York City a couple days ago. We went in for a family party and we had brunch at a very nice restaurant, and then we hopped on the train and we went into the city. So I figured I would just share with you guys some of the beautiful sights that we saw. Enjoy! So the family party's over and we're gonna hop on the train, get in the tickets, parking, everything. We're just not used to this. Obviously, we're not city people, but I wanted to see the tree and I wanted to go to a couple different places. So guys, without further ado, enjoy our trip to Rockefeller Center. Even the flags waving is just like such a beautiful thing. And I only got lost once. He's like an old school ballet, bud.
Gotta be kidding me, man.
Look, Mario's here.
They're creepy. I don't like them. Get out of here.
Oh my god.
It's like a candy.
Somebody needs to know where these people are. Like, I want to know. No, you have a TV show. You should know. I'm kidding.
How pretty.
Such a beautiful building. But I hope you enjoyed our video, and thanks for making it this far, and have a happy new year. We have lots of stuff coming in the new year. We've got a couple pond builds, and I've got my home tour, and we have the kitchen stove that everyone's been requesting. We're definitely gonna get a video out for that, and we have lots of stuff. So hope to see you. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a happy new year, everyone.